My name is Joseph McDaniel, and I'm a bankruptcy attorney in Arizona. And today's question is, can I keep my timeshare in my Chapter 7 bankruptcy in Arizona? The answer is absolutely. You just have to pay for it. For instance, if you have a timeshare in Hawaii and you love it, and you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy in Arizona, you're going to list all of your assets, including your timeshare. And your bankruptcy attorney will tell you to list all your assets because bankruptcy attorneys in Arizona will tell you that. You'll list its value, which you'll determine by figuring how much it would cost to replace that asset. You will, of course, have considered selling it pre-petition to buy food and medicine and gasoline and provisions, but you'll probably find that there's not much of a market for timeshares right now because this is a depression, which is why you're filing a bankruptcy. So when you have to file the bankruptcy because you need to stop a judgment or stop a garnishment, you still own the timeshare, which you listed because you don't want to be a poster child for bankruptcy fraud. And since you listed the timeshare, and the timeshare is not exempt in the state of Arizona, which has opted out from the list of federal bankruptcy exemptions, you have exactly two different options in order to hold on to the timeshare. You can certainly offer to buy the timeshare back from the trustee in your Chapter 7 case. You'll probably be the first bidder at an auction for that asset. In the old days, you'd just make an offer and the trustee would apply for approval from the court, but these days there's usually an auction no matter what price you offer initially. Or you can just hope that the trustee can't find a buyer for the Hawaiian timeshare and that he or she abandons it or closes the estate without administering, which means selling, the timeshare. Here's a more practical solution to the problem of timeshares in your Chapter 7 bankruptcy case. Just ignore the timeshare that you listed in your bankruptcy and buy a timeshare from somebody else on the other side of your bankruptcy. It's more predictable, and you have all the choices in the world in this economy. Thank you very much.